warm welcome on board our home, the beautiful Empress. We are currently making your cabins ready for your utmost comfort. Till then, you can drop your luggage in your cabins and proceed to our starlight restaurant on deck number 4 and 5 aft of the ship, or our food court restaurant on deck number 10 forward of the ship for an exquisite Indian cuisine experience. Cordelia is committed to reducing food waste and protecting the environment. We request you to please take only what you can eat and feel free to come back for more. Together, we can minimize waste and make a positive impact on the planet. We thank you for supporting this effort.
Yo ya sé que de ti I got to stay, we got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves, far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
excited.